So if your car has white smoke coming from the exhaust, or you notice coolant in the oil, it might be time for a new head gasket. But here's 3 ways you can check before you tear apart the engine. First is a block tester. Just pop off the radiator or expansion tank cap, start up the car, fill this tube with testing fluid, and squeeze this ball for about a minute. If it changes color, it could indicate a bad head gasket. Now to pin down the affected cylinders, we have a compression test. Just pop out all the spark plugs and the fuel pump fuse, then grab the compression tester, gently thread it into cylinder 1, and crank the engine over 6 to 8 times. In this case, we have 170 psi compression.
It's not too bad actually.
Our goal is to fill out this chart. So repeat that process for each cylinder, then squirt some oil into each one, and repeat again for the wet compression test. And here's how you can interpret the results. Finally, we have a leak down test. So set the compressor to 100 psi, spin the engine to where cylinder 1 is at TDC, pop out the radiator cap, oil cap, dipstick, and airbox, plug up the compression tester, and spin the knob to put 80 psi into the cylinder. And in this case for cylinder 1, we have about 6% leak down. Now set the next firing cylinder to TDC and repeat the test. It actually did surprisingly well, but I do still suspect a blown head gasket, and this is why it's so important to use a quality coolant like Peak's OE line, because overheating is the #1 cause of blown head gaskets. So the engine's coming out, we're gonna do a full restoration very soon.